Ever wonder who the real hero behind your health is? Look no further than your very own brain. Hello friends, and welcome to Brainwaves. Today we're exploring how your brain protects you from illness and disease. First up, meet the immune army. These guys are your body's personal defenders against the bad guys. Germs, viruses, you name it. The immune system is like the body's own army, and the brain plays a crucial role in coordinating its actions. The hypothalamus, the thalamus, and the brainstem are involved in this process. The hypothalamus acts as the command center, receiving signals to detect any signs of infection or disease. Once a threat is identified, the hypothalamus sends out signals to activate the immune response. Next, the thalamus helps relay these signals to different parts of the brain and body. It acts as a central hub for information processing, ensuring that the appropriate responses are initiated. The brainstem plays a vital role in regulating the body's autonomic functions, such as heart rate, breathing, and digestion. During an immune response, the brainstem helps mobilize resources and coordinate the body's defense mechanisms. Once the brain has identified a threat, it dispatches various components of the immune system to neutralize it. These components include white blood cells and other immune cells that target and destroy invading pathogens. Overall, the brain's involvement in the immune response is essential for protecting the body against infection and disease, highlighting the intricate coordination between the brain and the immune system. But wait, here comes the brain's secret weapon, antibodies. Antibodies are proteins produced by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign invaders such as viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. Antibodies are like the superheroes of your immune system. They swoop in, tag the bad guys, and signal the immune army to attack. Recognition of threat. Specialized cells in the immune system recognize the presence of foreign invaders or damaged cells. These cells then present fragments of the invaders, antigens, to T cells, which activate B cells. Upon activation by T cells, B cells start producing antibodies. Next up, we've got saliva, the spit superhero. Believe it or not, your spit is a powerful defense mechanism. Saliva contains a variety of antimicrobial agents such as immunoglobulin. These substances help to kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, thus preventing infections in the mouth and throat. Washing action, the continuous production and flow of saliva, help wash away food particles, dead cells, and microbes from the teeth and oral tissues. This mechanical cleansing reduces the risk of oral infections and tooth decay. It's like a moat around a castle, keeping invaders at bay. Wound healing. Saliva promotes wound healing in the oral cavity. It contains growth factors and proteins that accelerate tissue repair and regeneration, helping to heal small cuts or abrasions in the mouth more quickly. Lubrication. Saliva lubricates the tissues of the mouth, making it easier to speak, chew, and swallow. This lubrication also helps protect the mucous membranes from mechanical damage and irritation. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase, which begin the process of breaking down starches into simpler sugars. This not only aids digestion, but also enhances the taste of food, promoting healthy eating habits. Saliva also helps maintain a stable pH in the mouth, creating an environment that is less conducive to the growth of harmful bacteria. A balanced oral pH also protects tooth enamel from erosion. In summary, saliva acts as a multifaceted defense mechanism by combining chemical, mechanical, and biological properties to protect the mouth and throat from infection, promote oral health, and support overall well-being. But that's not all. Your brain's got more tricks up its sleeve than a magician at a birthday party. Ever heard of inflammation? It's like your body's way of saying, "Hey, troublemakers, get out of here." When you get hurt or sick, your brain sends out signals to trigger inflammation. It's like setting off fireworks to scare away the bad guys. The brain employs several mechanisms to fight inflammation. 1. Blood-brain barrier, BBB. The blood-brain barrier is a selective permeability barrier that protects the brain from potentially harmful substances in the bloodstream. It prevents pathogens, toxins, and inflammatory molecules from entering the brain tissue. The brain also produces anti-inflammatory cytokines. Cytokines are small proteins that are crucial in controlling the growth and activity of other immune system cells and blood cells. These molecules modulate the immune response and promote the resolution of inflammation. The endocannabinoid system, ECS, plays a crucial role in regulating inflammation in the brain. They're similar to cannabinoids, but they're produced by your body. Endocannabinoids bind to cannabinoid receptors, CB1 and CB2, in the brain. The brain can modulate the immune response through neural reflexes, such as the vagus nerve reflex. The vagus nerve can reduce inflammation by inhibiting the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. In Alzheimer's, the brain's attempt to clear amyloid beta plaques involves microglial activation. However, chronic inflammation can worsen the condition. Research focuses on finding ways to enhance the brain's anti-inflammatory responses to protect against neurodegeneration. Traumatic brain injury, TBI. After a TBI, the brain activates microglia and releases anti-inflammatory cytokines to reduce inflammation and promote healing. In summary, the brain employs a multifaceted approach to fight inflammation, involving barriers, immune cells, anti-inflammatory molecules, and neural reflexes. These mechanisms work together to protect the brain from injury and disease, although dysregulation can contribute to chronic inflammation and neurodegenerative conditions. When you catch a cold or the flu, your brain plays a crucial role in organizing the body's defense mechanisms to fight off the infection. Your body starts producing cytokines, which inform your hypothalamus about the invader. The hypothalamus then raises your body temperature, resulting in a fever. You feel tired and decide to sleep more, allowing your body to focus on fighting the virus. Your immune system starts producing antibodies, and you might find yourself coughing and sneezing as your body tries to expel the virus. Your mood might be a bit off, making you want to rest more. Once you recover, your brain helps form memory cells. So the next time you're exposed to the same flu virus, your body can respond faster and more efficiently. In summary, the brain plays a vital role in coordinating the body's defense against colds and flu by managing the immune response, regulating body temperature, inducing rest, and creating immune memory. Now let's talk about the brain's detective division. Your brain's always on the lookout for trouble. It's got this super smart team called the Microglia, patrolling your brain like detectives on a crime scene. They're like the body's own Sherlock Holmes, sniffing out troublemakers and keeping your brain in tip-top shape. Last but not least, we've got stress. Yeah, you heard me right, stress. Believe it or not, stress can actually be a good thing. It's like a fire drill for your brain, getting you ready to fight or flee when danger strikes. So next time you feel stressed, just remember, you're activating your brain's built-in defense mechanisms. And there you have it, folks. Your brain's defense mechanisms are like a team of superheroes, working tirelessly to keep you safe and sound. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.